Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these gingerbread man crumpets. So let's begin. To get started on the recipe, you'll want to grab yourself a medium sized mixing bowl, and into that place your bread flour, ensuring it's a high protein, followed by your salt, and mix the two together until they are combined. Then you can go ahead and add in the rest of your ingredients, which are your yeast, your sugar, and your 37.5 degree water. Then whisk this all together until you have a sort of loose dough. It's not going to be a very firm dough, it's actually going to be quite loose. So this dough isn't proved in the traditional way, this dough actually ferments. So just cover your bowl with cling film once you've given it a good scraping down. Then leave somewhere warm for around 45 minutes to an hour. Once it's fermented, you can then go ahead and add in your second weight of water and just incorporate that. At first I used a spatula, but then went on to my whisk, and you just want to whisk in that water until it's fully incorporated and it is a very liquidy or loose batter. You can then go ahead and take a frying pan which has been lightly oiled, place in a cookie cutter which has also been lightly oiled, and fill it around half the way. Let it rise and it'll almost reach the top. Cook on each side for a little while, and then once you flip it, it should be golden. Once you see it starting to dry out around the edges, flip it and then cook for a little bit, then you're good to go. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again tomorrow with another recipe, so join me then. In the meanwhile, don't forget to check out the description. There'll be a link to this recipe, a link to my blog, and links to all my social medias. Not forgetting there'll be links to previous Bakemasses in case you want to check them out. But that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed. Bye guys.